Good morning, everybody. We've got the green everywhere. We've got the green market for today, guys. Green coming up for the market. 5% for Nvidia, 6% for Palantir, 7% for SMCI. So we got a reaction from the market, and of course, doing all right. Great hunt, my brother, GLXG. Nice reversal, brother, from the bottom, Dexter. Great hunt for GLXG, which we already discussed it here on our live streaming early. So for today, we have got GLXG, which went to our profit taking twice. Once we broke the $2, and we suggest to take profit around the $2.80. And the second one, once we reversed from the 170 and we went toward the $2, and now it's going toward the second support. BTOG pulled back, reverse from the 17. We got Inco and NAOV. Two of them just came right now, guys. Could be good for today. This one, NAOV, jumped almost 200%. We've got a level to go to just below the 12. Yeah, we might have a nice jump for it once the market open around the $12. It look interesting for a jump toward the 12. We got the 942 as a resistance at the moment. Let's see. We've got a little trend here is been holding. Let's see if we hold this one level until the market open. Would be great if we held this white line. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. The rest of the market, like GameStop, trying to break at the moment from the 25. So today will be a turning point for mini stocks, guys, especially GameStop here around the $25. It could be good for today to go toward 26. So today should be the day that we're gonna have a huge reversal for the market toward the green after a lot of red lately. We've got a few stocks to watch, even DJT looking all right. Yeah, toward the current resistance at the moment, yeah, is getting near the $19. ARAB was one of the top gainers lately, so I'm watching for a pullback because it's still pulling back here over the 8. I'm still keeping it on the list. Tesla, finally, we got a bit of a reversal, 4% for today. Yesterday is the one of the stock that closed in red. Coinbase, Tesla, and AMD close 2% down yesterday. All of them closed 2% down. This is not a coincidence to have this reaction. How everybody doing? Do you think that we're gonna have a reversal for today? This is the most important question right now for all of you guys. Wondering if we gonna have a reversal or not. Because as we discussed before, the SPY were in big trouble once we broke the trend. And now we hit a bottom toward the 483. And right now it's 519. Is about to test a critical zone for today to confirm that if we're gonna have a reversal or not. Yeah, we got the 526 turning point for the market. Yeah, we got a turning point coming up for today. Huge reversal from yesterday. And still we got a seller here. Yesterday we got a nice reversal at the market open. Huge push back up, pull back down, and consolidating up. We have a shock, huge shock of buying pressure for the SPY. We did almost 8% for the SPY yesterday. Just at the market open, the first, I think the first hour, yeah. The first hour was fantastic yesterday. Huge fight. Yeah, it could be a turning point here, guys, for the SPY. Okay, we got the CPI tomorrow. Yes, could be a game changer. A game changer for the SPY. But technically, we pulled back. Yeah, we pulled back almost 20% for the market in just this month. Yeah, 2 months ago, beginning of February, the Polish started before even the tariff. And as we discussed before, guys, the SPY, it is kind of overextended. Every time we have a correction for the market here, COVID, here another little correction, here a little correction. And there, of course, the market crash in 2008. We reverse. I think we took almost 1.5 years for a reversal. And the SPY pulled back almost 57%. And here we pulled back 35%. And here we pulled back just 20%, and everybody was screaming. Yeah, we pulled back just 20%. Yeah, if we pull back 40%, yeah, I'm telling you, it will be a crash around the 350. So everybody kind of over reacting for the market going down lately. Yeah, it's still the main pullback didn't happen. The main pullback didn't happen for the SPY yet. As long as we hold here, guys, over the 467, there is no market crash. It's still correction. So now we're gonna confirm if we're gonna have another jump down or not around the 526 for today. If we didn't break, yes, we're gonna continue to go down. But this correction, it was really strong, guys. It was really fast, pretty fast correction. Here we have a slow correction, but here we have almost V-shaped recovery correction. because the market is overreacting after the tariff news. Guys, hit the like button on the way, and don't forget, today we've got a few stocks to watch. The top ones were in the pre-market. GLXG already hit our target and pulled back, and BTOG it didn't. Yeah, it pulled back instead because it jumped really quickly. But the new one is Inco and NAOV, and both of them are pulling back at the moment before the market open. Yeah, for ONCO, guys, is pulling back pretty fast. This one could be good, guys, at the market open if we held the 9. NAOV, the same, could be good if we held over the 669. Yeah, the 669 should be a good support to hold at the market open. Those the top unicorn for today, guys. Both of them jump one 55%, the other 150%. So NAOV is still the strongest here. VTOG looking interesting technically. Unco is we kind of broke this trend here. Yeah, we have a sign of weakness because we broke this trend down. But still there is a chance for a reversal. I think everybody is holding their stomach today. That's why many of our viewers not talking because they're fearing from the market open of another red day. Everybody holding their stomach and their hands on anticipation because we don't have a trust from investors from this push yesterday in green. We don't have confidence yet from the markets, even though we closed 10% for SMCI guys yesterday. Today is 7%, so in total 17% technically in just one day. So not bad for reversal. But everybody knows that this reversal could turn in red very soon if we didn't break the resistance. Especially for the SPY guys, you see here clearly there's a huge resistance around the 526.83. We're gonna test it today. And if we test it, we might pull back. The pullback should be over the 510. So yeah, today it is the day to confirm the reversal. Amis, he said he have a stomach ache. Lizzie, good morning, man. SOBR, if there's a chance for reversal, I will check like in a bit. Let's see, SOBR. Yeah, still there is a chance for reversal for SOBR. It pulled back a lot from the almost the 9, almost 50%. So I don't trust trading this one after this huge pullback. It looked a bit dicey. However, it could be good if we broke the 630. If we broke the 630, it could be really good for today. So yeah, there's a chance for a reversal if we held the 485. Let us check again if we got something going on in the pre-market. Nothing much here. Let's check on the top gainer list for today. Let's see what's kind of news this one have. Last news we have expansion agreement with healthcare. Okay, let us bring our disclaimer before we forget. Market is about to open in few minutes, everybody. The market is about to open in any second. Okay, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left at the market open. So guys, disclaimer for today before we start our live stream for today. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, remember, we always go live every day around 30 minutes before the market open, or before that, early every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, we go live every day early because we hunt and take our profit. Dexter already took his profit on GLXG, one of our top gainer for today. 20-hour profit taken, then flushed down. You see, this one was really good at our pre-market live streaming. It hit our target and went down. We discussed it first on our watch list video. Great hunt, my brother Dexter. You see, this is good, man. Always take your profit, man. Never watch when the stock go up. Always take your profit. So you started to learn, brother, the hunter way of trading, because GLXG jumped almost 40%. Usually, if you don't know how to take profit, you get greedy and you wait for more. But you see what's happened. This one dropped a lot, almost 50%. Down before even the market opened. So the gain happened before the market opened, early in pre-market. This one, enter and exit. So yeah, great hunt, man, for taking profit on this one. You are welcome. So what's going on, guys? We got 2 minutes left. As we discussed, the market is going crazy. Santush said Nasdaq, or Robert, yeah, the Robert said the Nasdaq future on fire. Holy moly, Nasdaq future. Let's check Nasdaq future. Thank you for the reminder. Let's see Nasdaq future. I think this one, why it is on fire, is dead here. Wait a second. SXTB had news on licensing agreements with Yale University of Medicine. Low floater. SXTB, thank you for the reminder. I'm gonna check it at the moment. If it is what you say. Yes, it is. This one is on fire. This one is exploding after the good earnings lately. Yes, sir. This one looking great, brother. It could go toward the 340 and the 430. Yeah, there is a chance. But it is low floater and a bit risky because the support is a bit far. We don't have a light support to rely on. There's a huge range between the 280 and the 180. $1, man. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. Okay, few seconds, guys. Few seconds left at the market open. The main list, NAOV. Unco, I'm gonna take it from the list, is too dangerous. BTOG, GLXG, and NAOV, guys, are the top stock for today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have a fun green day for today. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Welcome to the party. Today we're gonna have a huge party for the market. 3, 2, 1, lift off. And the market is officially open. Let's get right to it. NAOV, guys, it could be the top gainer for today if we broke the 940. And of course, we need to hold over the 666, the devil number, in order to squeeze up. VTOG, the same. We need to hold here the 17 in order to go up. GLXG, nothing much here. What else? Let's see the markets. Green, a huge green for the market, guys. Palantir, green. SMCI pulling back. RH have a squeeze from the resistance here, the 174. RH could be a really top gainer for today if we continue this majestic jump. Yeah, RH could be the one, guys, to watch. Yesterday did a huge and fantastic job for a reversal. Dell. And remember, guys, RH, we already discussed it on our swing trade that we did back this week. As you can see here on the 3rd of April, we discussed RH reversal. It was nice entry for RH, guys. It was really beautiful entry for us between the 138 and 117. Yeah, this is the first support, and then we dipped a bit and went up after that. We went up almost 30% from the 138. Coinbase getting near a great resistance around the 167. Tesla started to reverse nicely, beautifully. But be careful, guys. The market is still consolidating because the SPY didn't break that 526 yet. Amis took his profit on NAOV. NAOV, nice. NAOV, guys, is squeezing. NAOV just broke the resistance. Okay, guys, the only one unicorn for today is NAOV. It's hitting the $10. Top target or the first target resistance is the 12. If we hit the 12, we might get shorted after that. NAOV, it is the one. And I think we halted right now, guys, because we have a squeeze from this channel. Let's double check NAOV. Let's double check NAOV here. Yes, sir. NAOV got halted with LUDP code, reason code. We got AREB halted, JNVR. Man, today it is the day of haltation. Look at this list. Madness. We got unparalleled scenario. It's been a while that I see this kind of haltation right at the market open. This is not precedented for me. This is new, guys. This one not good. AUD no good. ZIP no good. SS. Oh man, I think this one is halted down. It was 580%. I think a new IPO, guys. But yeah, it's not good for a trade. The other one is JNVR halted down. What else we got here? I think I got other stocks here. We got wow, SVRE just come to the list. Halted down. Kids halted down. So yeah, this is leave us with just an AOV, the best one, and maybe AREB. Yeah, AREB guys is halted up. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep watching this one, NAOV, the number one guys stock for today. Wow, this one doing fantastic, guys. With BTOG could be good as well. BTOG and this one could be the ones to watch. BTOG, it is about to test a resistance around the 23. Yeah, BTOG, guys. We have a nice reversal from the 17. Now it's getting near the 23. So BTOG, make sure to take profit, guys, because I expect a resistance here around the 23. The other one is NAOV. We have a nice entry here before the market open, or after the market open, before the haltation. This one could be good to take profit after down halting, guys. After down halting is better to take profit on this one. Yeah, because right now we might have a little pullback. If we have a pullback, we might pull back around the 854. Yes. Now is around the 1034 and have a target around the $12. Yeah, the $12 should be the exit. Yeah, the 12 is the resistance right now. So if we jumped after down halting, 10% would be game over for me. I'm gonna run. Run with the money. Let's see. So the only one that look good right now is NAOV. Nvidia almost testing the 105. Palantir is still a bit far from the resistance. RH pulling back. Coinbase pulling back. Guys, we might have a pullback now because the SPY almost hit the main resistance around the 526. This is the main resistance for the SPY. Yeah, 526. Watch out for the SPY, guys. If we broke the 510, the flush will start. If we held the 510 for today, it would be great for the SPY and the whole market, of course. But now we got the pullback. Look at that. Nvidia get near a great resistance at the moment around the 105. It's just right there. So now we have tension. We have a bit of tension in the market because we're not ready yet for confirming the reversal. Anyway, let's go back to NIOV because I'll be ready to take profit right now. Right now. 11, 11, 11. Yes, 11.13. 11.23. $12 is game over for me. I'm gonna exit really fast. Right now, we are 36%. Whoa, 12.13. This is it. 12.47. 12.62. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna exit right now, guys. 50% is way, way too much here. Yeah, we have a huge wick here. You see? I get a bit FOMO. That's why I didn't exit very quick around the 12. Yeah, yeah, I think I'm gonna exit right now, guys. I'm not thinking too much. Yeah, 12 and now 12.24 and jump in more. Yeah, now I feel a bit FOMO, but I don't care. $12 it is hit. Yeah, we might go here, but I don't care. Around the 1390. But this is it. We might have a pullback at any time, so it's better to take profit there. Yeah, now it's around 12, hovering around the 12. Nice hunt, everybody, for NAOV. Already hit our target profit for today. BTOG is pulling back down. GLXG I don't like it anymore as well here. Yeah, this one was really good at the pre-market. Good lesson for you, Dexter. Good lesson for you to exit with your profit for GLXG. Nice hunt, brother. Because right now it's flushing down and halted down right now, guys. GLXG is currently halted. SOBR is halted as well. No, GLXG is not halted, but is light on volume. SOBR is halted up. Oh, brother. SOBR is breaking the resistance. Enco, no goods. SXTB, I don't like the chart that much, even though we're up. JNVR is pulling back. MLGO, not for now. Yes. AREB is jumping nicely up. GameStop is pulling back, of course. Yeah, GLXG could be good here for a reversal. And BTOG, yes, time for a pullback down a bit. But yeah, the top gainers and the top stocks to watch for today is NAOV and SOBR, of course. Those the tops unicorn for today, guys. Nvidia pulling back, SMCI pulled back big time, Palantir, Coinbase, RH. So now we got a pullback for the market a bit, guys. But no worries because the SPY is still holding the 510. Market looks fragile, doesn't seem any firm direction. This is normal, man. Robert, this is normal because the market it is cautious. It's kind of guys, consider the market is like you walking in the street at night and you get robbed, okay? And almost get killed in the process. The next day, when you walk the same street, are you gonna go watching your phone and putting music on and you don't care? Or the next time you walking in the street, you're gonna have a gun and protection and you be cautious. Of course, you be cautious because you got robbed the day before. The same with the market. It's the same exactly with the market. Everybody is cautious right now because they got robbed the last few weeks. It's not the same street anymore. Yeah, SOBR, it is wild. It's halted at the moment, guys, around the 686 or 668. For now, it is going toward 787. This is my target at the moment for SOBR. Yeah, you're right. It's a low float, so it could jump really quickly. So I'm watching it closely to go toward almost around the 8. AREB, it is coming back as well, but now it's got shorted, got halted up, and now it's halted down. JNVR is testing our support, guys, that we discussed early. So I'm gonna keep it down. GLXG is getting too dangerous and weak with PTOG. So I'm gonna keep those top stocks, SOBR. NAOV still strong, guys. And JNVR, the top gainer. This one did almost 1000% yesterday. And look at that. As we said, guys, the $12. We got over the $12 and now we didn't hold over the 12. That's why this is the current resistance right now. It was great exits, for my opinion. Some of you asking about SMCI. Yeah, SMCI is pulling back. NVIDIA is doubling down. Palantir doubling down. You see, guys, the top stocks like NVIDIA and Palantir seems more safe. That's why we got the traders doubling down on them and buying the dip. SMCI, we've got big seller, yes, came in just below the 36. The reason is we pulled back because we got big seller, guys, below the 36. We put him back. Hopefully we hold over the 33. This would be a good reversal zone for SMCI, guys, for a nice reversal. So there is a nice reversal for SMCI here. If we held, we're gonna have a nice reversal, then test the 36. Still good. SMCI not flashing yet. The strongest for today is NVIDIA and Palantir. Watch out, this OBR is unhalted, is getting near the $8, but I expect a seller around the 769. We might have a pullback before going over this level. It's getting near the resistance, guys. Yeah, in AOV, as we discussed, guys, we got a seller here around the 13 almost. That's why we have a struggle to go up. But the market is not bad for today, guys. We still have a chance to do something, especially for NAOV because now it's still testing the resistance. See, NAOV, yeah, the shorties came in big time. The best breakout or entry was here before the breakout. It was at the market open, and the exit was after down halting. This is the best play for NAOV. SOBR is flushing down right now. Yeah, it's dangerous at the moment. We have a huge buyer around 648. Unusual reaction, unusual flush because we pulled back almost 13% in just 1 minute. So it's a bit dangerous, guys, for SOBR. Unpredictable, like my ex. Yeah, we got a good market for today for holding. We still have cautious. All the gains that we did today, it was in the pre-market, so we don't have another buyer during the market open. We're still waiting for a test, especially for this buy. Still waiting for the breakout here. Around the 526 would be a nice signal for the strength. And having the second green day for today would be great. So technically we did 30% for Palantir, Nvidia 20% in just 2 days, Coinbase, yeah, 20%, SPY almost 10%. So it's not bad for correction. Let's double check again for the stock that got halted. We got GMET. It's kind of like GameStop, but it's not. AREB is still halted again. What's going on with AREB? It's halted down and now, yeah, it halted down and up and now it's down again. PTOG, I think, is game over here. Okay, so we got NAOV doing all right. Is still doing all right. SOBR is still all right, just below the resistance. JNVR is near the support, so nothing much happening here. SXTB, we have a newcomer. Wow, yeah, yeah. I didn't like the technical because it's not stable. But now we have a strength. We have a big buyer during the market open, and I think it's halted right now. Let's see. It's halted just right now. 60-degree pharma. Get halted, guys. Hold on. This one is going toward the current resistance around the 420. Yeah, this one could do, yeah, at least the 420 or the 520 and 420. 420 is, I think, acronym for weed. Is it? I forget the number. I think it's 420, yes. I think this is sign for me to smoke weed. So yeah, we got 420. Target 420 for SXTB. Just got halted around the 384. Let's ask ChatGTP about this. Is 420, I don't know, sign or a word for weed? Is more of science symbol code for weed cannabis rather than a word. Is used as a kind of slang or culture to refer marijuana culture. Here's a quick breakdown. 420 code for smoking weed. April 20, 420 is an unofficial weed holidays where people around the world celebrate consuming cannabis. Oh God, and it's coming. Now it's 8th of April. So we have to celebrate on the April 20th April. Maybe people might say things like it is 420 or happy 420. So while it's not a word for weed like pot, it's definitely recognized as a sign, a symbol of weed culture. Interesting. I didn't know this is a thing, a holiday. You learn something new every day. Anyway, so SXTB is heading toward the 420. There's a huge chance for a test here at the after the unhalting. We got NAOV still consolidating down. SOBR testing their resistance at the moment. Okay, we got nice day trade here. Stocks looking great for four of them. And the rest here are on the waiting list, of course, with GameStop and AMC. For the swing trade, we still have, yeah, almost tested the resistance for NVIDIA. We got RH pulling back, SMCI pulling back, Tesla's okay. The SPY doing fantastic, guys. The SPY is pretty healthy right now, guys. This is a good reaction for the markets. Hallelujah. But I'm not convinced yet until we break the 526. Kids is still halted. SXTB is still halted at the moment. Today it is the haltation day for the market because we got mini stock got halted at the market open. SXTB hitting the target 420, now it's 430. Whoa. Yeah, we expect a pullback. If we don't pull back right now, is mean we're gonna have at least 463. But yeah, 420 should be a level to pull back from. Yeah. Now we got 460 and 528. So yeah, SXTB is a bit overextended here, guys. I'm not saying we're not gonna go up more, but there's a huge chance that we're gonna have a pullback. And I expect the pullback happening here on this cloud. We have a huge wall here. Nicholas, SPY NHOD. NHOD, it is a ticker symbol or is acronym for something? What you mean by NHOD, man? I'm not familiar with short words like this. And the only one I know is WTF. The rest I don't know. I don't short, that's the words. There's a short acronym for everything, man. New high of the day. Are you kidding me? I never heard this one before. Why not nitrogen hydride oxygen Detroit? Why not that? How the hell should I know that? New high of the day. Anyway, I can make everything from these two four words. But yeah, if we talk about the stock markets, is kind of easy way to say that. But I didn't see anybody put this acronym before here. Anyway, SXTB pulling back. A new high for the SPY, yes. A new high officially around the 500 and 2352. Yes, it's going. The high that we care about is the 526.33. But yeah, we are on the good direction. The Nvidia, Palantir going on the right direction. The Coinbase is about to break the resistance. We are on sensitive mode right now for the market. Really sensitive, guys. The market is pretty sensitive right now. Yeah, the market is pretty sensitive. Nvidia, I don't trust this resistance that much. Yeah, 107 maybe. Now we might trigger FOMO, guys. A lot of people who didn't buy the dip already will feel a bit FOMO now. Now we might have a different reaction for the markets and going on the green, huge green, like what happened in COVID. NAOV broke the resistance again. Yeah, it broke the resistance perfectly. Yeah, this is really strong stock, guys. Look at that. Pull back, then jump again. This is how we define strong stock. Getting rejected, accumulate, then jump again. Profit, great profit, man. Always take your profit on the way, guys. Don't forget. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for today. Shout out to my brother Dexter, great hunt man for GLXG before the market open. Of course, we're gonna do another update for you guys on Discord and Patreon to update you about the day trade that we did for today, SXCB and AOV, update all the levels. We have three top unicorn for today, for sure. And we're gonna discuss the swing trade reversal because all those stocks is reversing perfectly. The SPY is about to squeeze. So if we broke the levels, we're gonna update the support and resistance and profit taking for all the swing trade stocks. Jean, NAOV, we already discussed it, brother. The NAOV, I'm gonna do a short update for you, brother. For this one is strong. We already suggest to take profit here around 1265. And now we reverse and get near the third profit taken. So it's getting overextended right now around the 17, so it's a bit dangerous. The best entry was here once the market opened. Now it's getting too dangerous around the 17. If we broke the 17, we might have the 21 as a top target for today. Current support is the 1265. Thank you for watching, everybody. And of course, see you by tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, before on our Discord and Patreon, where we do pre-market watch list. Live streaming every day. Swing trade. Yesterday we did the even crypto hunter for Dogecoin and many other coins. Day trade. Every update we do for the market after we finish this live streaming, the hunt will continue, guys. So without further ado, you can find everything in the comment section below to our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, stay blessed, don't feel FOMO, and of course, remember there's always opportunity in the market. Never run after the price, instead let it come to you. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you. Bye.